Have you ever wished that you could find a trading strategy with a near 100% win rate and that it could be made into an indicator so that you didn't have to do any guesswork? Well, you're in luck. I have created the indicator just for you. I call it Lionheart. You can get this indicator for free on TradingView. See the pinned comment below to follow the link, add it to your favorites, add it to your chart, and begin taking trades and winning with near 100% accuracy today. Let's take a look at how it works. Here we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart. Now, you can use this indicator on any asset that you like, but on the Bitcoin daily and 2 daily time frame, this has a 100% win rate. It has never failed. That doesn't mean it can't fail at some point, but as of the date of this recording, it has not yet failed. I'm going to show you how to use it. So we're going to go to our indicators list. We're going to type in Lionheart, one word, or just see the pinned comments below and get your free link to this. You're going to see the indicator pull up called Lionheart. Click the star to add it to your favorites, and then click on the indicator itself, and it's going to look just like this. And it doesn't get any more simple than this. It tells you when to enter your long, when to enter your short, and when to exit, okay? Now, you don't necessarily have to exit there. You could simply just take profit there and move your stop loss to entry or a stop loss into profit and let the trade keep running. It may go more in your direction and you make a little more profit. But for guaranteed winners on the Bitcoin daily and 2-day time frame, you want to enter when it says enter and exit when it says exit. It has never failed. However, there are areas that we want to be aware of just in case one day it does decide to fail. So the key for this indicator is any point in time that it has fired off an entry, the price has never come back to the previous swing high or swing low, depending on whether you're longing or shorting. So let's take a look at an example here. Right here, we got a short entry. You see that? Here was the previous swing high. Price did not go down there in one candle. It took a few candles before it got down to the take profit, but it never came back above this high. Okay, it came back later, but we had already exited the trade with profit. Which, by the way, when you exit, this tells you exactly what percentage gain you made. This is a 4.69% move. If you added a little leverage on that, you could have a heck of a trade there. Let's look at another example here. So you come here to this long trade. The next trade was a long trade. It was a smaller trade, but a winner nonetheless. You entered the long, you exited at 0.66. You could have let it keep riding for a little bit more, but you would want to take profit here because the indicator told you to, and of course we want 100% guaranteed winner trade. Let it keep going. By the time it came back and crossed the previous swing low, we had already taken profit multiple times on multiple different trades based upon this indicator. So this is a good one to add to your arsenal. We are currently under a long entry here with a take profit up here, and our goal is to not cross this previous swing low. That is where our stop loss would be. And if you do so, it'll be 100% win rate. Go through, back test. You will not find a negative profit on any of these on the daily or 2-day time frame. You can see here, they're all green, all green, all green, all blue. Blues are when you take profit in the plus. It would be red if it was in the negative, but you're not going to find it on the daily or the 2-day. Right here, look at all these winners, 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 winners. And some of these are really high percentage wins. Almost all of them are 3 or 4%. You got 6%, 15%, 5%. The list goes on and on. 6%, 5%, 6%. With leverage onto these trades, you could really build up your profit and your account balance very quickly. So subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's any other indicators you might be interested in. We can discuss that. I'll back test it for you. If it's a good, profitable strategy, that'll work. We'll go ahead and make you an indicator. Let me know down below. Go to my page, AnthonyLeeCrypto.com. Check out my VIP Discord, my free Discord. Join it. We give away indicators like this all the time, along with our profitable trading strategies. We would love to have you. I'll see you next time.